headlines. Peace pact should not be in the interest of one particular community, says Kokomi. Manohar Lal Khattar sworn in as Haryana's Chief Minister for second term. And only those born and brought up in Nagaland by Naga blood are indigenous, says SC Jamir. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur English News. I'm Loving with you. Now the news in details. The widespread protest in Manipur, spearheaded by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, relating to the Indo-Naga Peace Accord, entered its sixth day today. Women volunteers of Kokomi staged massive alert meetings in different parts of Imphal West and Imphal East, the twin capital districts of Manipur. Demonstrations and meetings were witnessed at Palace Compound, Khurai Lamlong Bazaar, Chekon Crossing, Kongba Market and Kwerengay. Alert meetings were also held at Kwakaitel Bazaar, Singjamay Bazaar, Tera Bazaar and Nauremthong. On the other hand, Apunba Manipur Huyen Lanlong Lup also organized an alert meeting at the community hall of Kaitei Asangbi, Imphal East. Talking to media, Assistant Convener of Kokomi, Jitendra Ningumba, called for an amicable solution to the vexed Naga political problem. He said Kokomi undeniably welcomes a final settlement for the Nagas, but the peace pact should not be inked in the interest of one particular community.
Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 ni kha tanda leba kamu ku ichapsa magun karma democratic form of government habdi isana ni kha tanda leba ganata leba kamu media mi both hadane haiga apa both hadane haiga khalak ko mi makal mi mayam sugul both kar ko mayam sisno government siamaga ekote gore 1940 October tang tara ni pa la yan ni semi thomaga ni kha ma leba kara si ma kha ko leba ko ni haina ekoi leba ko ni.
Members of all Manipur Muslim organizations coordinating committee today submitted a memorandum to Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren on the Indo-Naga peace talks. Talking to reporters in front of Chief Minister Bungalow, Committee President SM Jalal said that they desire a peaceful solution to the protracted Naga problem, but granting territorial council under the influence of one particular ethnic community will have negative impact on the integrity of Manipur. He urged that the government look into the matter with seriousness. The Muslim community in Manipur will not keep mum if the long-awaited peace pact hurts the integrity and boundary of the state. Jalal urged that the people should stop practice of separation on the basis of ethnicity in the name of integrity movement. He conveyed that Chief Minister Biren has assured that the state government will also join the current mob movement in case the center takes any step without consulting the stakeholders. He also appealed to the civil society organizations of Manipur to come together and work at this critical juncture.
Prime Minister, amasung Home Minister, akoi unanaba akoi gi maikaidagi appointment ship tawba leikre akoi sidagi delegation ama akoi chananaba thorang tawri loinana akoi memorandum su akoi summit ngasimak akoi tawjaragani Chief Minister gi hana tawjabani Governor gi memorandum summit tawgani adi matungda Prime Minister aduga leiriba akoi gi India gi lusingba sing India gi President aduga even akoi India gi mapanda akoi OIC haidana Organization of Islamic Countries haidana lay aduga Arab League haidana lay hariba sing asida khoi memorandum akhoi submit tawnana ba khoi memorandum pinana ba Manipur ge pangan singna Manipur gi integrity gi matang da lepiba phirep se karino haibado mek sengna thamnana ba gi akhoi chapchaba thorang su leire.
Manohar Lal Khattar was sworn in as Haryana's chief minister for the second term on Sunday. The BJP leader was administered the oath of office by Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya in Chandigarh. Dushyant Chautala, whose fledgling Janayak Janta Party (JJP) is backing the BJP, was sworn in as deputy chief minister. His father, Ajay, lodged in the Tihar jail in Delhi after his conviction in a teacher's recruitment scam, also attended the swearing-in ceremony after being granted furlough for 2 weeks. The governor had invited Khattar to form the government when the latter met him to stake his claim to form the government with the backing of 10 JJP legislators and 7 independent MLAs. The BJP won 40 seats and Khattar now has the support of 57 members in a house of 90. In 2014, the BJP had won 47 seats. Former Chief Minister of Nagaland and former Governor of Odisha, Dr. S.C. Jamir, today said that only those born and brought up in Nagaland by Naga blood are indigenous, according to a media report. He, however, stated that Kacharis are also indigenous people of the state. Speaking at the launch of Nagaland Indigenous Peoples Forum (NIPF) at Don Bosco School, Dimapur, Jamir said a Naga from Manipur, Assam or Arunachal Pradesh is indigenous in his own state but not of Nagaland, and this should be clear. He added that as the indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland, we should not consider our problems with emotions and sentiments, but to study the present conditions and decide on relevancy. He said what kind of Nagaland there will be after 20 years or 50 years, no one is aware of it, but people need to change according to the time and prepare themselves for tomorrow. An under-construction bridge over Iril River at Soambung has been swept away in torrential rain today. Construction of the bridge began in 2015, but the work remained incomplete despite assurance by the authority concerned to finish it within 3 years' time. Talking to reporters, one of the locals said that construction materials piled up the site have caused a concern for the residents as they blocked the normal flow of the river water. He warned of blocking Imphal-Ukhrul Road if the concerned department fails to complete the bridge construction work at the earliest.
thongje ama hanagi amanbaji matam loirena semine ba sigi thongje ado asina mu yarakta daraga de khoje kadai da no ba chatkadori se hujik matam sida
adudi khoi kanu toti oina kanu tawe ba ko adu toti sing kanu taw budu da dum haigi haba khoi ising jam mo le khole na adu khoi da amu mu toren ko mu do chang tok bu yawri ba.
Many houses at Kuchoi Tup of Kamrang Muslim area in Jiribam district have remained flooded due to incessant rainfall since yesterday. A relief camp has been opened at Jirigat Junior High School for marooned residents. Pradhan of Hilgat Gram Panchayat, L. Somorendra Singh, appreciated the Jiribam District Superintendent of Police and Deputy Commissioner for sending police personnel to help the flood-affected families. Both the SP and the DC visited the area to take stock of the situation. They suggested for opening a relief camp soon. Kuchoi Tup is an area measuring about 4 acres. The residents fear that if the area remains submerged for long due to rain, it may become a part of Assam state.
Akhoi turengi imai se hoji hoji yam kan wangkhalakpadagi kamangkha gi kamanga khunja da yum ni phumuk hoji singa thong khare aduga gular tholda yum ani gumba aduga loinana akhoi lengang bupi da su yum ama hoji hoji thumhore aduga ising su chakhat leptri aduna aina hilgaji pigi badhan ama oina akhoi gi mari leinaba akhoi gi mathak thongba authority sing dagi awa bataraba parja mayam sibu mating pangbi namagi damangta hejari.
Let's take a short commercial break now. But coming up next, KYAN introduced in selected schools of Manipur for smart classes.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam informed that a new machine called KYAN has been introduced in some selected schools in the state for conduct of better smart classes for all subjects. Talking to TOMTV today, the Minister Radheshyam announced that the Union Human Resource Ministry has sanctioned Rs 236 crore for developing infrastructures of 401 selected government schools across the state. Educational system in the state has been transformed incredibly under the N. Biren-led government. Moreover, Manipur has backed the 4th position in all India list of overall improvement in education sector, Radheshyam said.
Karor sani ga kuntra taruma hapira kana naksi punna karor samni ga marfu taru pibire masini takpadi akoi phawadura akoi no hona bakan badura moina nungsi bidana hapira pane aduna hanak chahi goina laboratory sagado laboratory wat pada higher secondary ki laboratory high school ki laboratory sagado library room sagado adi classroom sagado toilet wat pa nupi macha singi dugumba nupam sa tongan toilet sagado adi computer room sagado sigum mayam si pula kana punna school summary ga amagi mokoina pesa hapire aduna hanak school summary ga amadi improve tawrani adu no back day hena angang sing na khau pu daba school chapada larik arumba pu da homework tawa santi oina free oina moi nungai na moi mind wakal thamoi free oina tawra kana moi creative oiba innovative oiba phaba oirakpagi madugi implement tawbudo se yamna effective oi madu.
Upcoming Heroes Team Manipur conducted a cleanliness drive around the surrounding area of Kakching Fish Farm at Laipam Lotnung, Kakching District this morning. Principal of IRE Group Narengbam Rajiv Kumar Singh, who was present at the event, urged for disposal of plastic waste at proper places. He said plastic wastes like bottles can be turned into eco bricks and other decorative items. He appealed that plastic waste should not be thrown out on the roadsides. Rajiv Kumar added that people can also earn an income through plastic waste collection. MLA of Kakching constituency, Yengkhom Surchandra, lauded upcoming Heroes Team Manipur for organizing such drives in the area. In connection with the upcoming Ningol Chakoba Festival, Wheel of Chance, a non-profit organization, today distributed eatable items to the inmates of Mongshangai Old Age Home, Imphal. Joint Director of University and Higher Education, Hyangthang L. Iboyaima, today stressed on the importance of extracurriculum activities in this age of steep competition. He said this during the 38th Foundation Day and Award Ceremony program of Kamakhya Pemton College at Hyangthang today. He appealed to the students to inculcate the habit of participating in extracurricular activities besides their academic studies so as to improve themselves and achieve professional goals easily. Rich floral tributes were also paid to the photos of the donors on the occasion. 16 meritorious students were given cash award and citations during the program.
Like, because Rome was not built in a day. Rome, see, no, a city, Abhikar Temple College is a very, very nice college having.
A one-day legal awareness program on child laws was organized today by Child Welfare Committee, Bishnupur Government of Manipur in collaboration with Karang Island Cashless Promotion Society, Karang under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority at KL Junior School, Karang. All Jiribam Road Transport Union AJRTDU has threatened to launch a cease-work strike if the concerned authority fails to solve the issues faced by the drivers at the earliest. Union General Secretary L. Maniton Singh informed this during a press meet at the conference hall of Juri News Network JNN located at Babupara of Jiribam yesterday. L. Maniton Singh expressed displeasure that truck drivers are facing a lot of inconveniences in crossing the Barak and Makru bridges apart from security personnel at the checkpoints, charging Rs 500 to 700 for every 10 and 12-wheeler vehicle crossing the bridges, which is unacceptable.
Barak thong amadi maku thong da lalo matamda lord thokyo matamda lode thokyo matamda mit tareni de ni pani bo changi aduga khali la bo matamda na mari ni de mangani bo changi mari le ma opposition na ming athum la changi daga changi hoina hajari aduga kai gum ma sire sida ka doctor ga driver is now sing na akhoi staying pai da ba haina le lagi haina gari haina lepsare.
A one-day free medical camp was jointly conducted by Nongmaikon Progressive Youth Club and Anoba Ashagi Mangal today at Chana in Lamlai constituency, Imphal East. Free medicines were distributed to around 200 individuals during the free medical camp sponsored by Lamyanba Healthcare and Ambulance Service. Kakching District Commando arrested a drug peddler identified as Richard Sesurach, age 23 years, hailing from Premnagar Moray, Ward Number 4, from Kunuta, Chingjin, Sora. Contraband items, methamphetamine, crystals also known as ice drugs weighing 15.180 kilograms and a mobile phone handset were seized from his possession, a police report said today. The arrested along with the seized articles have been handed over to Kakching Police Station. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fauba Chada Kuntra discount Pizabi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name. Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai Fee, Rani Fee, Blouse, Tops Fee Fanik Nachingba Makal Suna Fang Biragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalaikai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7005-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Come on!
Hey Lola, nak phone yaw bra?
Yaw eh.
Lo jing mo kep kau ne, apang?
Ay kau tu re.
Manipur han ba 24/7 service oiriba lamjing ba cab service namyam gi seva tawjari.
Manipur ki district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na lohong ba amadi atay thogdok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakau bagi damak akhan na ba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gi damak lamjing ba cab service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nitayananda Temple.
Welcome back. Drilling of a new massive borewell using a rig began at Nadu Katupati near Manaparai of Tamil Nadu this morning in a last-ditch attempt to reach and rescue 2-year-old Sujit Wilson, who has been trapped in an abandoned borewell since Friday evening. As per media reports, the machine was brought to the site in the wee hours today and drilling work began at around 7 a.m. under the supervision of Neyveli Lignite Corporation and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation officials. Officials on the ground said that drilling work would take up to 3 hours. ISIS chief Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi may have been killed in Syria in a special operations raid against ISIS, though an official confirmation is awaited, according to media reports. Late Saturday, White House issued a statement that President Donald Trump would make a major statement today amid media reports of a military operation against the ISIS in Syria. Pakistan said it has denied India's request to allow Prime Minister Narendra Modi's VVIP flight to fly through its airspace for his upcoming visit to Saudi Arabia, citing the ongoing grave human rights violations in Jammu and Kashmir. The decision came with tensions simmering between the two nuclear-armed arch-rivals over Kashmir. According to media reports, this is the third time in recent weeks that Islamabad has refused to allow Indian leaders to use its airspace after turning down last month's requests by President Ramnath Kovind and Modi. Modi will travel to Saudi Arabia tomorrow, where he will attend an international business forum and hold talks with top Saudi leadership. In September, Pakistan rejected India's request to allow Modi's flight to use its airspace for his visit to the US to attend the UN General Assembly. Pakistan had fully closed its airspace in February after an Indian Air Force strike on a Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camp in Balakot. The country opened its airspace for all flights except for New Delhi, Bangkok and Kuala Lumpur on March 27. Now let's take a look at the sports news. The 13th Northeast Tamchon Football Tournament, one of the biggest events of Northeast to be held outside Northeast region in terms of football, kicked off yesterday at Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi. In the opening ceremony, Dr. Lorho S. Fazl, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, was the chief guest. Robin Hibu, IPS Special Commissioner, Delhi Police, President of Helping Hand, Sokzathang, IRS, Principal Commissioner of Custom and GST were also present at the event. The opening function witnessed unfurling of flag by the chief guest, songs and cultural dances of different communities from Northeast region. Addressing the event, Dr. Lorho stated that the tournament will strengthen the spirit of sportsmanship in Northeast region and it will bring oneness amongst the people of the region. He said the tournament creates a platform through which mainland Indian states can understand the culture and traditions of Northeast and sporting spirit of this region. Siamsial Palpi clashed with Muvanlia FC in the opening match. South Africa defeated Wales by 19-16 and reached the World Cup final of Rugby World Cup. In a match that played today at Yokohama, South Africa's forward Faf de Klerk demonstrated that even modern rugby union can still be a game for all shapes and sizes. Amid a dire first half that ended with the Springboks 9-6 ahead after Hander Pollard kicked 3 penalties to 2 from down bigger, de Klerk provided a few moments of wit and invention. The final will be played against England next week. Now, before we end this bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Peace pact should not be in the interest of one particular community, says Kokomi. Manohar Lal Khattar sworn in as Haryana's Chief Minister for second term. And only those born and brought up in Nagaland by Naga blood are indigenous, says SC Jamir. That's the end of the bulletin. Thank you for watching.